Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the TubeBuddy Keyword Explorer tool to do YouTube keyword research. Right, first, if you want to use the Keyword Explorer tool in TubeBuddy, you have to upgrade to a Pro or Legend plan. If you want to do it for free, use the link in the description below and you can get a 30-day free trial. And once you have signed up for a Legend plan, all you have to do is open up your YouTube Studio. Then you're going to see the TubeBuddy icon here. And if you click on it, you can see the Keyword Explorer tool under Popular Tools right away. Or if you do not see it here, you can also click on under Extension Tools, click on Keyword Explorer. Then, as you can see, you can right away see what are some trending topics that are getting a lot of searches on YouTube right now. You can change the country if you want to do that. But if you just want to find a keyword and analyze the difficulty of that keyword and the search volume, you would add that keyword here. So let's say you want to do a video on Pinterest, how to use Pinterest. Let's add that keyword. As you can see, we also see some auto-suggest data. So if you want to target a more long tail type keyword, you can also check those out as well. But let's use this how to use Pinterest keyword right now. So as you can see, we're gonna get a summary of this keyword. The overall score is poor because the search volume is okay, but the competition is poor. And the current videos are currently optimizing great for this keyword. You can also see how competitive by checking out the videos in the search results. So there are more than 100 million videos about this topic. You can see that the monthly search is around 57,000 per month. You can also see some related searches here, as you can see. You can also see the trend of the keyword. So as you can see, it's pretty steady. So that's a good thing. You can also click on results here and you're gonna see what are the top results for this keyword right now. And if you own any of the 20 top search results. As you can see, my channel doesn't have any video about this topic, so we do not rank for it. But you can check out the competition here. So as you can see, the top videos are using the keyword in their title. So the videos are kind of good in terms of video SEO optimization. So let's say another example. Let's say this is too competitive for us. So how to use Pinterest for Etsy. This is more of a long tail keyword. But as you can see, the search volume is pretty low for this one. So you can find a lot of ideas here using the Keyword Explorer and check out competition for this keyword. So all in all, this is a great keyword tool if you want to analyze whether a YouTube keyword is difficult to rank for or not. Of course, if overall score is poor, you can still make the video and rank for it. So it doesn't mean that you're not going to be able to rank for it. If you make a cool and video with a high watch time, you're going to be able to rank for it. So now this is how you can use the TubeBuddy Keyword Explorer tool to do YouTube keyword research.